Good evening, folks. Livio, Regano, tonight's weather. Well, March finally brought the rain after what began as a disappointing wet season. It set the stage for a windy, showery start to April and a rotten Easter long weekend. Temperatures have settled into a predictable pattern now, and that pattern will stick around for the next week or so. Cooler nights, tops in the mid-20s and high humidity. The satellite loop, you wouldn't believe how lucky we've been today, or unlucky as the case may be. There are actually really heavy showers pelting down just offshore, and they've been there all day, and you can see that bright white stripe. That's what it is. Moreton Island, Stradbroke Island, Fraser Island, they're all under heavy showers, but because of the direction of the wind, they haven't quite made it ashore, and we've gotten away with just a few millimetres today. But if you look to the east, you can see there have been very dark clouds, and sooner or later, they are going to come ashore. I would say probably tomorrow, and then they'll stay right through the Easter break, coming and going. Let's look at today's chart now. Big high. Well, it's not powerful, but it's a broad system, very slow moving, sitting on top of Victoria, just edging out towards the Tasman Sea. If you combine it with this low further east, it's producing this jet of very cool air getting dragged up from a long way south, hence a drop in temperature. Then it's coming around as a fresh southeasterly, really messing up the surf and also bringing those showers, like I said, just offshore. On tomorrow's chart, a little change on the surface. Winds are probably dropping a little bit, but only temporarily. And on the outlook chart, an upper low now moves in conjunction with those stronger winds to produce what looks like a very showery Easter long weekend. So now the latest from the Weather Bureau, the boating forecast for Sunshine Coast waters, southeast winds dipping to 15 to 20 knots tomorrow, only to freshen up again to 20 to 30 knots for Good Friday on a 2-metre swell. A strong wind warning will follow. Surf's over a metre on the open beaches, and it's frightfully messy in that stiff onshore breeze. It'll probably stay like this all Easter, unfortunately. Now, tomorrow's high tide comes at high noon, give or take an hour. It won't be as big as the recent tides because Easter's on a half moon this year. Very odd. Now, the South East Coast District, another partly cloudy day with more showers. Maroochydore, 17 up to 24 degrees. Nambour also 24, nice and cool. Gympie, 26. And looking ahead for Maroochydore, every day in the next 7 is a candidate for at least one shower. But Easter Sunday and Monday are the biggest risk, with the highest expected rainfall totals. We've had a lot of rain this March. Was it just an accident? Was it La Nina? Or does the risk of heavy rainfall increase as the world gets warmer? Even just 1 degree of warming can boost the air's moisture holding capacity by 7%, which means more intense rainfall events are possible, even if the overall climate gets drier. Something to ponder over an Easter egg. Catch you tomorrow. Back to you, Rob.
Good on you, Liv. Thank you, mate. Thanks for your company, folks. See you tomorrow night. Good night.
Tonight in 7 News, lockdown